안녕 친구들, it's me, Mimi. Do you know what's around the corner? Halloween! Trick or treat! Who's excited for Halloween? Today, I have a fun activity that we can all enjoy at home. 집에서도 재밌게 할 수 있는 놀이는 바로 Ghost Puppets! They can be spooky or super cute. And they're simply made with paper. Perfect for Halloween. Let's get started. Lego, Lego. 재료 확인할 시간. Let's make sure we have all our materials. First, we need some white paper, some markers, scissors, glue stick, and a pencil. Also, I have some Googly Eyes to make it more fun. Let's get started then. Come on! First, let's see what our ghost will look like. Ooh! Let's get started. First, get your paper. Here, and then fold the paper vertically. Vertically? 잠깐. Vertically? 뭘까? Vertically is something that goes from top to bottom. 위아래, 위아래. Like this. Vertical. Repeat after me. 한번 따라해봐요. Vertical. From top to bottom. Vertical. 세로. Here's a pop quiz. What's the opposite of vertical? 세로의 반대는? It's horizontal. Left to right. 왼쪽에서 오른쪽. Horizontal. Like this. Horizontal. Repeat after me. 한번 따라해봐요. Horizontal. 가로. Fantastic! Back to our paper. Now we're going to fold it vertically. Like this. We're going to use this paper to make the body of the ghost. Now get your pencil. So we're going to trace the body and we're going to use our fingers. This is going to be a 2-finger puppet, but we have to make sure we have enough room to put our fingers in and enough room to glue the paper. So let's use 4 fingers. Everyone, 4 fingers. Good. We're going to trace the 4 fingers like this. It'll look something like this, but this doesn't look like this. We're going to make it more like a circle, so make it more round. It'll look something like this. Good. Now we're going to cut out the body. We're going to use scissors. Now be careful because scissors can be a little sharp. Now we have the front and the back of the ghost body. Time to glue these together. So important part is to glue around the edge, but not the bottom. Not the bottom, because we have to put our fingers in. Okay? Not the bottom. they're glued together. So we're almost done. All we have to do now is, since I have some googly eyes, I shall create the ghost and make it come alive. So the googly eyes, they already have a sticker on the back, so I'm just going to peel it like this, sticky. One eye and one more to go. I want to make mine look a little more silly. If it's hard to peel it, just ask an adult. Mine's so silly! I love it! All right, now it needs a mouth. So with first the black marker, I'm going to trace an outline. This is what it looks like, so silly. Oh, I love it. Okay, but I'm also going to color in the tongue red. This is what my ghost looks like. For the finishing touch, we want to make it curvy on the bottom, simply using our scissors. Look, it's my ghost! Trick or treat! I'm going to name you Ghost. Ghost starts with G. Gigi. Hello, Gigi. Hello, trick or treat. Gigi might be lonely, so I'm going to make Gigi a friend. Okay, everyone. If you show me your ghost, I'll show you mine. 1, 2, 3. Wow, everyone, you did such a great job. Ooh. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Oh, excuse me, Gigi, did you want to say something? Hold on. Oh, yes. This year, Halloween will be somewhat different. Oh, yes? Yes, we won't be able to go door to door and get candy, but it doesn't mean we can't have fun. You can make ghost puppets with your family, just like you did with Mimi. Oh, yes, Gigi. Gigi wants to play with Mimi. Oh, if you had fun today, make sure to like and subscribe. 좋아요, 구독 꾹 눌러주세요. Okay, let's go play.